Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can create a persona in Suno. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com and we're all logged in. And the first thing we're going to want to do is make sure that we're on the create option in the main menu. Then from there, we can see here where it says persona. So if we go ahead and select that, then you're going to see that I already have 3 different personas that I've created. And we also have an option here that says create new persona. Now, if you don't know what a persona is, essentially what this means is if you have ever created a song that has a certain style and also a certain voice that you like, you can create a persona. So that way, if you ever want to refer back to that style and that voice, then you can just select the persona. So I'll go ahead and select one here. And now we have our persona, and that has also brought back in the style of music that we set when we first created that persona. So let's go ahead and select create new persona. And then you can see here now that the first option we have is based on. So then we have the option to select a song, and then here it says search for a song in your library. So if there's a specific song that we want to take advantage of because we like the way that that one plays out, then you can just either search by using the search function here, or you can pick a specific option and choose that. So let's go ahead and we'll select this one here. And we'll say the name here. So this was something done by my uncle. So I'm going to go ahead and call this one Joel. And if we want to upload an image for our avatar, we can do that as well. And then we can also even prompt Suno to create an image if we want to do that. Then finally, we have a description here. We could put that in. So I'll just put in Uncle Joel and we can hit save. So then now our persona has been saved. And if we ever want to refer back to that persona, there it is. And we can always use that. So one of the reasons that this is a good thing to do is, let's say you just kind of want to create essentially a band, and you have a lead singer for your band and you have the style for your band. That is essentially the concept behind the persona. So that's how you can create a persona. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.